Initially, when I started my YouTube journey, I was horrible in front of camera. I used to forget the words, and for recording one sentence, I used to take 15 to 20 shots. I used to be nervous, confused, no proper lighting, no microphone. So that's how I started. And this is how I have been able to deliver the content right now. Do you want to learn how exactly you can be comfortable in front of camera? Then certainly this video can help you. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur and welcome to my channel. Now, first thing that we need to understand is it is completely okay to be uncomfortable in front of camera. Right? It happens with each and every one of us. Though I have been creating videos year after year, now there are times where even I am not comfortable in front of camera or where I take a pause and record again. Right? It could be because of not proper planning, or again, it does happen that sometimes we are not comfortable as well, though we might have been creating content for many years. Okay, so let me give a small example. I'm sure you have your favorite YouTubers, right? So just go to their channel. Okay, now go to their video section. Once you go to their video section, click on sort by and click on date added oldest. Okay, now go there and see how they have created the videos in the beginning. Now say for example, if I open one of my video that I created 7 years back, let me just play the sample of it. Okay.
There are more than 1 billion YouTube users. You and I are one among them. Now, why am I saying this is?
If you see, I'm not comfortable in front of camera, right? So that's how it started. But over a period of time, I have been able to do better. Now it's same with all the famous YouTube creators. Whomever you are saying, nobody was perfect in the beginning, or nobody is perfect right now as well, right? It is always the learning that is happening. And say for example, take example of any of your favorite actors, right? Think about the first movie acting that they did and think about the latest movie acting they have done. Do you see a lot of improvement in their latest movie? Yes, right? Why? Because even they are working on their skills. So it is completely okay for you to be uncomfortable in front of camera. Now let's understand how to overcome camera fear. So this is something that I would call as 30-second idea. You're going to do this practice for only 30 seconds for next 14 days. So what exactly you're going to do? Now the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to identify a topic that you really love the most. Now say for example, I really love my terrace gardening. I really love Bangalore. I love my family, right? In the same way, I want you to think about the topic that you really love the most. Okay. So once you have identified your topic, now this is something that you need to do every day morning for next 14 days. Immediately after you complete your daily morning routines, okay, just pick up your cell phone, okay, turn on the front camera, okay. Once you turn on your front camera, right, so you got to straight look into the camera lens, okay. You got to look into the camera lens and start recording for 30 seconds what you really love. Now say for example, I really love about terrace gardening as I said, right? So just click on start the record button, look into the camera lens and record for 30 seconds. Now even if you are stuck in between, it's completely okay. Make sure you are completing 30 seconds. Okay. So the beauty with this is you really don't have to show this video to anyone. It is only for your practice purpose. Now do the same thing for second day, third day till 14th day. Now after you complete your 14th day, see your first day video that you have recorded for 30 seconds and see the video that you have recorded on 14th day for 30 seconds. You will see you are going to be amazing in front of camera, right? You'd really love, oh, is this me who have created this video, right? See, that's the kind of confidence that you get in front of camera. Though it is just for 30 seconds, you are going to be amazing in front of camera. Okay. So do this for 14 days. Now, once you have done this for 14 days, now I'm going to tell you what is the next thing that you need to really consider. Now, you know that, okay, you can come in front of camera and deliver content. Now, the next most important thing is you having the passion to serve or passion to add value. Let me give a small example, right? So we all have some specialization or some knowledge or some experience which we can share to a lot of people, which can add value to them. Okay. The way doctor helps somebody to lead a healthy life by the treatments, video creators are not just here to earn money, right? Video creators add value to people's life. Now, when I say that, let me give a small example. Now, say for example, you are a person who is going to create maybe great healthy recipes, or maybe you're going to create videos on fitness, right? You are helping somebody to lead a healthy life, and you are avoiding them from getting sick, right? You are helping them to lead a happy and a healthy life. Though your video may be just related to cooking, or your video may be related to fitness, right? The outcome is somebody is leading a happy and healthy life. Now, say for example, you are creating videos on, say for example, financial tips. You are helping somebody to either save money or earn more money. Sorry, helping them to lead a more financially stable life. In fact, when you are helping somebody to lead a financially stable life, you are helping their entire family to lead a great life as well, right? So you need to understand the bigger purpose what you are serving. Now, once you have that thought, the kind of value that you're going to deliver for people's life, you are going to be unstoppable. So I want you to think about your niche and what is the bigger purpose that you have. Let me give a small example. The bigger purpose of Sriram Benur channel, whatever the content that I'm creating here is so that there are many people who are going to learn, build their channel and earn money, which is going to help them to have time and money freedom, which I have been able to enjoy right now, right? In the same way, you need to have a bigger purpose that is going to help your audience as well. So once you have a bigger purpose, there is nothing that is going to stop you from creating content. Okay. Now that you have the right purpose, you are also good in front of camera. Next most important thing is on 15th day, start recording your first video. Now, for you to record your first video in the best way, the two most important things are planning and practice. So what do I mean by planning? Now, let's take for an example of me creating this video, right? So the video where I'm recording as how to overcome camera shyness. Okay. So there are a couple of pointers that I've made. So first thing is, it's completely okay to be uncomfortable, right? And the second one that I mentioned as 30-second idea. Next is passion, which we just spoke, right? Next is recording the first video. Now, the last point is perfection. Now, these are the pointers that I have already made, right? In the same way, you also need to make pointers on what exactly you are going to speak in the video. Let me tell you, for the pointers what you make, you should not be writing it and practicing. You are just going to make the pointers and you are going to have the pointers what you want to speak. It is not something like where you by heart it. Do not by heart. It is never going to come great in front of camera. Okay. So just think about the point and see what are the values that you want to add. So that's how it should be. Okay. Now, once you have written the pointers, practice it for 2 to 3 times. What you can do is you can just hold your cell phone or webcam or whatever you are having. Just look into the camera lens and practice it without recording it. Okay. Now that you have done practice for 2 to 3 times, now it is time for you to record. So as a beginner, what you can do is you can record each and every point separately. Now, say for example, if I'm talking about the first point, right? It's okay to be uncomfortable. I can record only that portion. Now, once done, you can stop the recording. Again, look back the pointers for the next topic, record that, again stop it, look the third pointer, record that, and again stop it. And once it is all done, then in the editing, make sure you're going to club all the things and make it look good. So this is how you're going to record your first video. Okay. So now your video editing is also done. Now we are coming to the final stage. Now after you editing the video and when you start playing it and watching it, you might feel that, oh, my collar is not straight, the lighting is not good, there's a lot of breaks in between. You might get the feeling the way I got it earlier, right? Now because of which, though I had created a lot of videos, I never uploaded on YouTube. One fine day I thought, anyway, I don't have a lot of subscribers. Who is going to watch my video? Let me just upload it. Now after uploading on YouTube, some of my videos started getting good views. Though the video quality was not good, audio quality was not good, lighting was not good. I can just quickly show a sample of it. Okay. So if I can just play this, see this video, right? Which I recorded back in 2015.
Hello everyone, it's Sriram here. Today I will let you know a few reasons on why YouTube is one of the best tools to build your business online.
Correct, right? If you see the lighting is not good, right? The audio is not good, right? So I'm nervous, but still This video which I posted back in 2015 has got around 4,300 views. Not massive, but still decent, right? And not only that, it has got around 41 likes. Currently, I'm not able to show the dislikes, but this video has got only around 2 dislikes. So let me just quickly go to the analytics and show you that. So I have just come to the analytics of this video. If you say this, likes versus dislikes, correct? Now since upload, this video has got 95% likes, only around 4.6% dislikes. Is it good? Though I am not comfortable in front of camera, though I am not looking great, the lighting is not good, sound is not good, still people liked it because the content was great. See, what people really care for is the content, right? So your content is the highest priority. Everything else is going to fall secondary. Your lighting, the way you appear in front of camera, do not worry about that. So when you focus on adding great value, people are just going to love it. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. So once you edit your video and it is ready, just go ahead and upload. You're going to get a lot more energy to create more and more videos. Do understand one thing. Progress is more important than perfection, and perfection should always be a continuous process, because we can never have a perfect video. It is not possible, right? The progress is possible, but not perfection. Okay, so it's always going to be learning. So once you understand this, and when you have created your first video and uploaded, as I said, you're going to get a lot more energy to create more videos. And every time when you create videos, just think, what is the value that you're giving to your audience? How is it really going to help them? When you have that thought in your mind, then as I said, you are just going to be amazing, and you will have that right belief and confidence to create more and more video. So these are some of the things that you can implement to be great in front of camera, and most important, be consistent, right? Because consistency is something that when you practice more and more, you are going to be more comfortable in front of camera. So continue doing that. And if you have any questions related to this topic, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Or if you have any questions related to YouTube, you can certainly comment that as well. I'll be answering. So I wish you all the very best. Keep adding value to massive number of people. Your knowledge can certainly help somebody to lead a great life as well. So thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, then please do consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Till then, take good care and bye for now.